National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Armstrong County, Randall County, Western Carson County, Potter County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Valley De Oro to Umbarger, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Amarillo, Canyon, Panhandle, Lake Tanglewood, Bushland, Buffalo Lake, Valley De Oro, Washburn, Umbarger, Palo Duro Canyon, Mescalero Park, Timbercreek Canyon, and Pantex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Carson, Potter, and Randall.